Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to add widgets to your home screen on your iPhone. So, on your home screen, you want to long press any empty space, and now in the top left, let's tap Edit button and let's go to Add Widget from this menu. So here you can see different widgets that you can set to your home screen. Those are the suggestions, but if you scroll down, you will see here a list of applications that support widgets, and you can go, let's suppose, to weather and see as well some options of that specific application's widget. Simply tap on widget to add it to your home screen. Now, if you want to have another widget, simply tap Edit button once again. Let's go to Add Widget, and additionally, you can set some more widgets. What's interesting that you have here Smart Stack, and first of all, you need to select its size. I'll go with small. Let's press Add Widget. And here you can see what is Smart Stack. If you scroll, you will see different, so that is like how many options? 7 in 1. So instead of adding 7 separate widgets, you can add this one, and it will be like this. Let's tap this widget, and you can decide which specifically applications you want to have in your Smart Stack. So let's say that I do not need my contacts, so I will tap this minus and then tap Remove button. Okay. And if you want to add any kind of application to your Smart Stack, you want to tap this plus in the top left in order to add this widget to your Smart Stack. Let's say it's Find My, for example. So it could be any kind of widget that you want. Okay, so let's tap Done, and yeah, additionally, you can resize it by dragging this corner. Okay, so I cannot do it like this. I can just expand it like this, and additionally, so you can expand it to even bigger size. Oh, I don't know what's the problem, but I don't have an option to expand it to the largest. Okay, yeah, that's logical because Smart Stack only supports small and medium size. Okay, and I feel like that's all for widgets. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.